Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to remove or bypass Cloudflare issues on Google Chrome using the latest working method in 2026. Make sure to follow the instructions till the end. To remove or bypass Cloudflare issues in Chrome, you can simply press Ctrl Shift and delete. This will bring you to the Settings, Privacy and Security tab, and in here, you can simply just delete from this device. For the second method, if you have Cloudflare one client in your desktop, we could just simply uninstall it. To uninstall it, we could go to Windows, go to Settings, or you can search Settings. Inside the settings, on your left side of your screen, find Apps, click on Apps, go to Installed Apps, and search Cloudflare. In which case, I don't have any Cloudflare on my device, but if you have Cloudflare one client in your device, you can simply uninstall it. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.